students, today's agenda is to check homework. We'll be doing subtraction and you will be able to do pages 14 and 15 from module 8. Today, students will be able to subtract with regrouping. And when do you use subtraction? You use subtraction when you're taking away, when you're using something, when some animals fly away. So anytime you're removing part of what you begin with. Number 1 says, you have $2,364 in your checking account. You spent $1,322. How much do you have left? So you start with an amount, you spend some of that amount, and you have to align ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds, and thousands with thousands. So we're going to put whatever you start with on the top, 2,364, and then you're going to take away 1,322. Again, some of you might not need the model. Pause the video, do the answer, and then forward the video. So 2,000 is represented by 2 cubes. That's 1,000, 2,000. 300, it's going to be 3 squares. 60 will be 6 lines. Each one is a 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's 60 right there. And the 4 are going to be represented by 4 dots. So that's what you start with in the bank, 2,364. But then it says that you're going to take away 2 ones. So we cross out 2 ones. 2 tens, we cross out 2 tens. 300, so cross out 100, 200, 300, and 1,000. Cross one that out. How much do you have left? You have 1,000, no hundreds, so you're going to put 0 in the hundreds place. 10, 20, 30, 40, so 4 tens and 2 ones. Now, if we don't do it with the model, all we say is 4 take away 2 is 2. 6 take away 2 is 4. 3 take away 3 is 0. And 2 take away 1 is 1. If you notice, it's the same number. It's $1,042. And you can say, I have $1,042 left. So I'm not going to do all of them with the model, but the ones that I do, again, you're welcome to just forward the video and then keep going. For number 2, it says 26 minus 7. In here, if we have 6, we cannot take away 7. Okay, how would this look with the model? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Take away 7, I cannot, so I'm going to regroup, meaning one of those 10, I'm going to exchange it for 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, instead of having 2 tens and 6 ones, I have 1 10 and 16 ones. So now I have enough to take away 7, so I'm going to get rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many do I have left? I have 1 10 and 9 ones. How would it look over here? What we usually do is like, oh, I have a 6 minus 7 is not enough. I regroup by borrowing one of the 10s. So instead of 2, I only have 1 10. And then I put it in here to make it 16, which is this 10 and 6 dots are 16. Now, when I take away 16 minus 7, there are 2 ways to go. You can count starting with 7 in your mind and then say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's 9. Okay, so from the 7 to get to 16, you have 9 more. Okay, so 16 take away 7 is 9. Now the other way is to actually take away 16, but you need to know how to count backwards. So 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay, you get to the same answer either counting backwards 7 times or counting from 7 and then start counting 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And you have 9. Okay? Whichever you prefer, that's fine. Now with the tens, you have 1 in the tens, but you don't take away anything. You just bring the 10 that you have down. Okay? Just bring it down. When do you have to regroup, either with the model or in here? It's when the number on top is smaller than 1 on the bottom. In here, 9 take away 3. That's easy. If you count backwards, it will be 9, 8, 7, 6. So the answer is 6. The other way is counting from 3 going up to 9. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You still get 6. Okay? Now, and for the other one, 3 minus 1, 2. In here, we didn't have to regroup because the number on top is bigger than the number that we're subtracting. The number on top is bigger than what we're subtracting. Okay, for number 4, I'm not going to do the model. I'm just going to regroup in here. 6 take away 9. The 6 is smaller, so I'm going to cross this one out. I have 1 left, and that becomes 10 in the 1, so that's why I have 16 ones now. So 16 take away 9. 16, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 7 right here. Or you can count 16 minus 9, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, 7. 1, take away 1, you get 0. 7 minus 6, so 6 to 7, if you are counting up, is 6. 7, only 1. So 107. Number 5, we're going to do the model. 3,000. So it's a cube. Oh my. Another cube, that's 2,000. 3,000. 200. So remember that the hundreds is a square. 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 3,249. Now when we're taking away, it says take away 800. It's not the thousands, it's 800. Do we have 800? No, we only have 2 of those. So we're going to regroup by exchanging 1,000 into hundreds. You get 10 hundreds, right? So 1,000 is equals to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. 10 of those make 1,000. So now it says take away 800. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800. And take away 110, meaning 10. You get rid of that. And from the ones, you take away 6, so you don't need to regroup in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you have left? In the thousands, you have 2,000. Remember that after 1,000, you put a comma. In the hundreds, you have 2 in here, and 2 that you already had is 400. For the tens, you have 3 tens, and for the ones, you have 3 ones. Now, how would it look over here? 9, take away 6. 9. Take away 6. So you take away 5 and 1 more. You have 3 left. Hopefully, eventually, you don't need your hands with the practice. 4. Take away 1. 4. Take away 1. You have 3. 2. Take away 2. Take away 8. You don't have enough. That's when you regroup, and then we say that you have 12. 12, take away 8. Again, you can count up from 8 in your mind, then you start counting and putting your fingers, or you can count backwards. So 12, take away 8. This is 8. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, you get 4. Or if you count up, it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Usually, because we're used to counting up, it's easier. See, you get 4 of those. Okay, you just put 8 in your mind and count 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, for the next one, oh, I forgot to borrow. That one that I borrow, I need to take it away from the 1,000, so you just end up with a 2. Which, because we're not taking away anything, you just bring it down. 2,433. For number 6, if you notice, every number on top is bigger than the bottom, so you don't need to regroup. And so when you're doing the model for those, it's easier because you don't need to cross out and regroup. A minus 3, it would be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 5. 4 minus 0 is just 4. 9, take away 7. 7 in your mind, and then you count up. 7, 8, 9 is 2. 245. For page 16, the only difference is that you have to check your answers. So I think even with this lesson, you're able to do page 16. How do you check your answer? When you add the answer that you get and whatever you're subtracting, so 703 plus 245, you should be able to get this answer right here. So for example, 5 plus 3, that's 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 2, it's 9. 948. 948. So this is called the checkup test. Okay, you can check. Same here, if you add the answer with whatever you're subtracting, you should get the initial amount. So 2,433 plus 816. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 8 plus 4, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, you put the 12 right there, 12. 2 plus 1, 3. If you notice, it's 3,249, 3,249. Okay, is the initial number that you had. Number 7 says 5, take away 5, 0. 2, take away 3, I don't have enough. So I borrow from 3, from the 100, regroup. So now I have 12 tens. 12 tens, take away 3 tens. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 9. Again, 2 take away 8 is not possible. I get rid of this because it's only 1 and put it with the 2. So that's 12 hundredths. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 4. So it's 490. Again, we add them together to check our answer. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11, 12. Put the 2, carry the 1. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And one more, 13. So if you notice, 1,325, 1,325. Okay, so it's correct. If you check your answer and it comes up to be the initial amount, then that means that it's correct. Okay, for the next one, you have 1, take away 9. It's not possible. We regroup. This is going to be 1. And we put the other one in here. 11 minus 9, 9. 10, 11. 2 more. Then 1 minus nothing. It's just 1. And so it's 12. Again, we do the checkup. 9 plus, careful, you have to align 1s with 1s, 10s with 10s. 9, 10, 11. Put the 1, carry 1. And 1 plus 1, 2. That's the initial amount, 21. With this, we end our lesson. If you can please give us a thumbs up, subscribe around here. This is the link to the entire unit for Module A in English. This is the link to the next video. And here you will find the link to the module in Spanglish. Also, if you would like to join Mathematics in Life, we'll see what the needs are and where the group takes us. Now you're able to do pages 14, 15, and 16 actually from Module A. And have fun!